Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm answering the question, should I buy an annuity if I already have life insurance? I mean, I'm assuming you're thinking about for estate planning. I mean, most folks buy annuities for insurance while they're alive. They're ensuring that they don't run out of money in retirement. So I'm guessing you might be, the context is, hey, I want to leave this on to my beneficiaries, but I already have life insurance type of situation. I'd say if you don't need the money, because this question's kind of in a scenario where somebody's asking this and they have plenty of money, I'd say if you have it wouldn't hurt to buy an annuity with an enhanced death benefit, especially if you're using qualified retirement accounts like a 401k, 403b, thrift savings plan, pension, etc. You're going to have to take RMDs from those monies, and what you could do is you could take out your you could roll over the qualified retirement accounts over into a fixed index annuity with an enhanced death benefit and withdraw RMDs. And the idea is that you're still maintaining the original balance that will go down to your beneficiaries, and you're able to take the RMD at the same time. So I can't really do this on this video, but I'll look at the Athene Agility 10, and the Athene Agility 10 is one of these no fee annuities. And what'll happen is you'll get a 50%. Now this may change this is May 2026. So just bear with me on this, but right now you can get a 50% bonus towards your income base plus any interest that you earn in the future. And while you're alive, this 50% bonus really isn't tangible, but it does become tangible when you die. So in certain scenarios, I would say, hey, we'll roll over your 401k to an IRA, Athene Agility 10 fixed index annuity, take out your RMDs each and every year, and then based on a conservative to moderate rate of return, right around a 4% rate of return, theoretically, you should be able to maintain the original dollar amount for your beneficiaries as a death benefit, as long as they're okay with taking the death benefit over a 5-year period. And my gut tells me if you're asking this question, you have money, and the people that will inherit your money will be in a position where they don't want to get into a higher tax bracket, and taking out this death benefit over a 5-year period is a smart thing to do, so they maintain in their current tax bracket. And what happens is you're able to take your RMDs out, even though you don't want to, and still maintain that balance that'll pass down to beneficiaries. So if you want to see a quote, you can always contact us over at the Annuity Expert. But that's where I would say buying an annuity for estate planning when you already have life insurance would make sense. The only other scenario is, let's just say you're terminally ill. I've had folks contact us saying, hey, I've got stage 4 cancer and can I get life insurance? And I typically say, no, you can't, because you're kind of beyond that pre-existing medical condition threshold. And so, but the next best thing that you could do is you could roll. The next question I ask is if you're married and you have children. And if you say you're married or have children, I say, hey, you might want to look at your qualified retirement accounts and roll that over into an enhanced death benefit annuity, because there's no medical underwriting, and beef up the death benefit for your beneficiaries to give them more money. I mean, look, a 50% bump on a death benefit day one with the Athene Agility 10 is not a bad gig, right? It's better than not having anything, right? So those are really the only two areas where I would say buying an annuity makes sense if you already have life insurance. You got any questions about this? Like I said, contact us over at the Annuity Expert. We'll run you a free quote. There's no cost, no obligation. The insurance companies pay us, so we can help you out free to you. So got any questions that you want other people to see? Leave a comment below and I'll answer it in the next couple of days, and we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.